Alright, in this video we're going to be looking at translations, and after I stopped the first video I realized I didn't go back and do number 4, so we're on this first page. We're actually not going to do these this semester, but we have what's called a glide reflection. And a glide reflection is basically a combination. It's a slide or a translation followed by a flip. So we may or may not get to these this semester. I don't think we're going to. All right, but I left that off of the last video. All right, so today we're going to look at a translation or a slide. So if we kind of go back to our notes from last time, we're going to be looking at this section. So it tells us we should move an object up or down and left or right a specified number of places. So if we go ahead and look at the first page of translations on our notes, so here's number 1. We're asked to draw the translation of this triangle, and we want to go 6 units to the left and 1 unit down. All right, so we're going to take each of these points. So I'm just going to start with point H, and I want to go left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1 unit down. Right, so that's going to become my new H, and I'm going to call that H prime. So I do the same thing with O. I'm going to go from O, left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 1. That becomes my new O, so I call that O prime. And then I move T 6 units left, will land on the y-axis, and then down 1. So T will land right here. All right, so then I want to try to draw that in. All right, so, and when we get done, we should have a triangle that looks exactly like the one we started with. Okay, so this will be congruent. It will be exactly the same size and the same shape. It's just been moved or slid left 6 and down 1. All right, so let's try the second one. All right, so we have a quadrilateral, and our rule is we're going to go 3 to the right and 4 up. All right, I'm going to change colors just for fun. All right, so I need to pick a starting point, so maybe I'll start with W. I want to go right 3 and up 4. And wherever that lands will be my new W, so we'll call that W prime. So let's try X. We're going to go right 3, up 4, and there's our X, so X prime. For the Z, oops, did I go? I think I did X wrong. Did I do X wrong? No, I didn't. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I did it right. So 1, 2, 3 to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4 up. So that's Z prime. So then I do Y, right 1, 2, 3, up 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I draw in my new shape, and it should look exactly like the original. It is congruent. I have just made a slide. All right, so let's look at the next page. We have this grid for problems 3 and 4. This one says, find the rule how to describe the translation from A to B. So here's A, here's B. So we just need to figure out what did we have to do to get from A to B. It doesn't matter whether you go left or down. It doesn't matter what order you do that in. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I went left 8 units. And then I would go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that would be down 14 units. And again, it doesn't matter what order that's in, whether you go left and down or down and left. All right, so for number 4, we're asked to give the translation from C to D. So let me switch colors real quick. All right, so here's C, here's D. So if I do have to start at C because that's what it tells me. So if I start at C, maybe I go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I can write that in either order I want. But I went down 8 units. And I went right 11 units. And that's pretty much all you have for translations. Those are the easiest of the transformations that we're going to do.